Hey, fellow gun enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of firearms. Today, we've got something special for all you Taurus fans, a comprehensive guide to the best Taurus pistols of 2024. Taurus has long been synonymous with reliability and innovation in the firearms industry, and this year is no exception. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a newcomer looking for the perfect sidearm, we've got you covered. From compact, concealed carry options to 22 LR pistols, we'll showcase the top performers and the latest advancements in Taurus technology. So, if you're on the hunt for your next trusty sidekick, stick around as we break down the features, performance, and overall value of the best Taurus pistols hitting the market in 2024. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's jump right into the action. Taurus 917C. The Taurus 917C is a versatile and feature-packed 9mm handgun, offering a reliable performance at $599. This compact powerhouse is designed to deliver in double-action and single-action modes, providing users with flexibility and control. The 917C boasts a generous 18-round capacity, ensuring you stay well-equipped in high-pressure situations. The integrated front sight and drift-adjustable rear sight contribute to enhanced accuracy, making it a reliable choice for both seasoned shooters and those new to the world of firearms. One of the standout features of the Taurus 917C is its thoughtful design for comfort and control. The flat-face, serrated trigger promotes a comfortable shooting experience, while magazine and grip cuts aid in efficient magazine stripping if required. Including an accessory rail and pick-tinny rail adds versatility, allowing users to customize their firearm easily. The ambidextrous safety and reversible magazine release cater to a wide range of shooters, enhancing accessibility and user-friendliness. Taurus has also incorporated a signature indexing and recoil management pad, demonstrating their commitment to user comfort and control. Constructed with a full-sized frame of lightweight aluminum, the 917C balances durability and portability. The black anodized finish on the frame and matte black finish on the light steel slide contributes to its sleek and tactical appearance. With a 4.30-inch barrel, 7.90-inch overall length, and weighing in at 33.50 ounces, unloaded, the Taurus 917C is a compact yet substantial option for those seeking a reliable 9mm handgun. Its safety features, robust build, and ergonomic design make it an appealing choice for various shooting applications. Taurus GX4 Carry. The Taurus GX4 Carry is making waves in the firearms community as an exceptional 9mm handgun that combines affordability with a feature-rich design. Priced at just $505, this compact powerhouse is designed for concealed carry and delivers reliable performance in a sleek and user-friendly package. Featuring a 15-round capacity, the GX4 Carry ensures you have ample firepower at your disposal. The fixed front sight and drift-adjustable rear sight enhance accuracy, making it a dependable choice for self-defense scenarios. The single-action-only design provides a crisp trigger pull for precise shot placement. The GX4 Carry prioritizes ease of use with thoughtful features such as the easy take-down pin for quick and hassle-free disassembly. The flat face, serrated trigger adds comfort and control to your shooting experience, while magazine and grip cuts facilitate smooth magazine stripping. Taurus has not compromised on safety, incorporating a striker block, trigger safety, and a visually loaded chamber indicator. Including an accessory rail and pick-tinny rail provides customization options, and the reversible magazine release caters to both left and right-handed shooters. Constructed with a compact stainless steel frame and alloy steel slide, the GX4 Carry is built for durability and reliability. The matte stainless finish on the frame and gas nitride finish on the slide contribute to its modern and sleek appearance. With a 3.70-inch barrel, 6.56-inch overall length, and weighing just 21.50 ounces, unloaded, the Taurus GX4 Carry is designed for those who prioritize comfort, concealability, and performance. The addition of the Taurus Optic Ready option makes it a versatile choice for users looking to customize their firearm further. The Taurus GX4 Carry is an affordable yet feature-packed option for those seeking a reliable and compact 9mm handgun for everyday carry. Taurus TH45. The Taurus TH45 is a testament to Taurus's commitment to delivering quality firearms at an accessible price, with the TH45 priced at $530. With a 13-round capacity, the TH45 ensures you have substantial firepower. The fixed front sight and drift-adjustable rear sight contribute to accurate targeting, while the double-action/single-action mechanism provides versatility in shooting styles. The full-sized frame, constructed from durable polymer with a sleek black finish, provides a comfortable grip and balance. Including an accessory rail adds customization options, and the ambidextrous safety enhances user accessibility. Weighing in at 28.50 ounces, unloaded, and featuring a 4.25-inch barrel, the TH45 balances power and maneuverability. The matte black finish on the light steel slide and the matte stainless finish on the steel barrel adds to its rugged aesthetic. Safety features abound in the TH45, including a firing pin block, loaded chamber indicator, and manual safety, ensuring a secure shooting experience. The overall dimensions, at 7.80 inches in length, 5.80 inches in height, and 1.43 inches in width, make the TH45 a reliable choice for those seeking a full-sized 45 ACP handgun for various applications. In conclusion, the Taurus TH45 is an affordable and feature-rich option in the 45 ACP category, providing users with a reliable and accurate firearm for recreational shooting and self-defense scenarios. Taurus TX22 Compact. The Taurus TX22 Compact is a feature-packed and budget-friendly option in the 22LR handguns, priced at just $399. With a focus on precision and versatility, this compact powerhouse delivers an exceptional shooting experience for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Boasting a 13-round capacity, the TX22 Compact ensures extended plinking sessions without constant reloading. The fixed front sight with a white dot and drift-adjustable serrated rear sight contribute to accurate targeting, making it an ideal choice for recreational shooters. One of the standout features of the TX22 Compact is its Taurus Optic Ready option, providing users with the flexibility to customize their firearm with optics. Additionally, the threaded barrel adds another versatility for those exploring suppressor options. The TX22 Compact is designed for comfortable handling and ease of use, built with a compact polymer frame and a sleek black finish. The lightweight aluminum slide with a hard anodized black finish contributes to its durability and aesthetic appeal. With an overall length of 6.70 inches, a height of 4.90 inches, and a weight of 16.50 ounces, unloaded, the TX22 Compact strikes a balance between portability and stability. Including manual safety, striker block, and trigger safety increases confidence for users of all experience levels. In conclusion, the Taurus TX22 Compact offers precision, affordability, and versatility in the 22LR category. Taurus GX4XL. The Taurus GX4XL has taken the concealed carry market by storm with its impressive features and an affordable price tag of $470. This micro-compact 9mm Luger pistol is designed for those who prioritize performance and convenience in a compact firearm. With a capacity of 13 rounds, the GX4XL ensures you're ready for any situation. The fixed front sight and drift-adjustable rear sight contribute to accurate aiming, while the single-action-only mechanism guarantees a crisp trigger pull. The flat face, serrated trigger enhances comfort and control, ensuring a reliable and smooth shooting experience. One standout feature of the GX4XL is its easy takedown pin for quick disassembly, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The extended magazine, reversible magazine release, and magazine and grip cuts for easy stripping add to the pistol's user-friendly design. Weighing in at 20 ounces and loaded, the GX4XL boasts a micro-compact frame size with an overall length of 6.43 inches. The stainless steel frame with a matte stainless finish is durable and sleek. The light steel slide with gas nitride finish and stainless steel barrel with DLC coating for their contribute to the pistol's robust construction. Safety is paramount with the GX4XL, featuring a striker block, trigger safety, and visually loaded chamber indicator. Additionally, Taurus offers an optic-ready option for those looking to enhance their shooting experience. In conclusion, the Taurus GX4XL offers an unbeatable combination of features, reliability, and affordability in the micro-compact 9mm pistol market.